Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I will show you how I managed to do this look using a couple of different eyeshadow palettes. So I'm basically recreating this look that I saw on another YouTube page. I think it's the Rose Gold Eyes Mauve Lips look by Jenny Jenkins. But yeah, I'm just recreating this look using some items that you can get from Malaysian makeup stores. The first thing that I used is this Glam X eyeshadow palette. Got a lot of colors, so you can create a lot of looks with this, but I used these two as the transition colors, these two for the eyelid because they're quite shimmery. They're nice colors. Too Faced Natural Eye, and I got this color paper art palette, which I really love. I used the color corrector as well as the blush and this shade for my eyebrows. For my lip, I used this color Cami from Colorpop. So if you want to see the step-by-step process of creating this look, because it's actually quite nice. The camera doesn't really pick up all the details and stuff, but yeah, I'll definitely take some pictures and maybe you can see. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Thanks! So to start, I'm checking to see the condition of my skin to decide what kind of foundation to use, and I'm also priming my face using this Touch in Soul No Problem Primer for my foundation. Next, I prime my eyelids by putting some concealer. This is from Cyber Colors. This will help make the eyeshadow stand out more. Next, I'll dip into my Glam X eyeshadow palette to create this rose gold look. And I'm just going in with a little fluffy brush to put a red eyeshadow slightly above my crease as my transition color. And I put a little bit of it under my lower lash line to kind of blend the look together. Next, going into my Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, I put a dark brown eyeshadow in the crease to create that definition and difference between the transition color. I also take the brown and put it on the lower lash line to connect the look together. Next, going into my Pupa Arts eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this color corrector, this pinkish color corrector, and putting it on the inner half of my eyelid. And on top of that, I'm using this gold bronzy color and tapping it on top of the cream concealer to create that pinkish goldish rose gold hue. Seems to work. Next, I go in with a slightly lighter champagne color to be used on the inner corner and under my eyebrows as a highlight to really make that brow bone pop in contrast to the transition color. It seems to work. Now I'm actually doing my entire face, and to make my skin look a little more glowy, healthy, I'm actually layering this Benefit What's Up highlighter underneath my foundation. And for both the highlighter and the foundation, I'm using a stippling brush because I just want to diffuse the product over my skin. So the highlighter was really creamy. I had to diffuse it a little bit and then layer the foundation on top. Now going in with the angled brush, I do my eyebrows using a dark brown color from the Pupa Art eyeshadow palette. I'm just using little baby strokes to kind of define the brow that's already there. And I don't know if this is a faux pas, but I wanted to do it anyway. Using my Makeup Forever contour palette, which is actually a powder. I put powder over wet foundation. I think Wayne Goss did mention that this is like a big no-no, but I didn't want to do contouring over my pressed powder, so I just did it under. And I also decided to contour my nose using this, actually it's an eyeshadow brush, but it's small enough to get into the places that I need the contour to get from my nose, so I decided to use it anyway. And it does look very Chinese opera-ish, but Chinese opera makeup is very but when you dust the loose powder on top, you'll see that it starts to diffuse and just kind of diminish, and it doesn't look so harsh anymore. So that's what I'm doing here, just putting some loose powder on top of all that makeup. And now I'm going in with my liquid eyeliner. This is from Lakme. I quite like this wand. I used to have a lot of problems with it because it was really long, but now it's, after some practice, it's actually quite okay to use. And to further enhance my eyes, I'm using this Arabic kohl to tight rim the waterline. Tight rim. Next, going in with the Elianto blush on the apples of the cheek and slowly bring it up to my temples. Just a light touch of blush is needed for this look because the eyes take the cake. Now going in with a bit of highlight. And finally a lip color, a mauve-y kind of lip color, and I'm using Colorpop lippy sticks for that. The last thing is to do my eyelashes. I'm actually using a eyelash growth serum under my mascara. A lot of under layering. So the mascara dried out, but the growth serum kind of helped make it come alive again. So this is the final look for the rose gold mauve look, recreating the look by Jenny Jenkins. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!